Hello everyone, so I just discovered this new feature on iOS 16, which is pretty cool, that you can make stickers out of your photos. So I'm just also trying out this feature. So for example, you have like an image of yourself or your friend in the photos. So this is a Photos app, it's not Google Photos. So just tap and hold on the person, and then you can see I can just drag it. It's pretty cool, right? So it automatically cut out the person from the background, and now I can just drag it. So now, for example, I just can open up Twitter, for example, and then, oops, doesn't work out. And then I can just pass photo like this, and I can just pass this sticker. You can of course pass it to Messenger, to WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever. It's automatically cut out the background, and that's your new sticker, which you can now use. So of course you can also pass it into iMessage, into Telegram. So for this feature to be available, yeah, you see, you just need to have iOS 16 installed. Yeah, I'm just also curious what else I can do with it. But yeah, that's the overview how you can easily cut out and make a sticker of the photos. Okay, so you just then you can just tap share, and then you can just copy it like that. So yeah, just tap and hold to see this effect, and then you can just copy it and share like that. It's pretty cool. So try out this feature.